Hello my friends, سلام دوستان من. This is Kimia هستم. Today we want to complete our previous video. We talked about the greeting and how we start a conversation in Farsi. And now I want to fix some stuff and I want to give you some more words in Farsi. Let's go!
Let's cross your mind.
When we want to say that how are you, we also use the phrase چطوری. چطوری? How are you? And people can answer this question with saying خوبم. I'm fine. خوبم. If you just go and say hello, how are you, and they gonna answer back there, I'm fine, thank you. How about you? How about you? You. You will look fresh and green in English if you start this silly conversation like hello, how are you, I'm fine, thank you. But in Farsi it is completely normal and we start our conversation like that most of the time. Also in text I will say سلام, خوبی, چه خبر. Are you okay in English when we want to be sure that they are fine, but we use خوبی in Farsi in a really normal situation. I mean, you don't feel like they're not well. خوبی, خوبم. It's pretty easy. I don't know why people say that Farsi is hard. It's really cool and sweet and hard. Yeah, maybe sometimes. خودت چطور? خودت چطور? خوبی? And they say, yes, I'm good. بله, خوبم. We have two words to say yes. First is بله, which is polite way. And we have آره. آره خوبم. When I was just a child, my mother told me that don't say آره. It's kind of not so professional way to say yes and not very polite. It will be better if you use بله. And we have two words to say no. First is خیر. خیر, which is polite way, but we normally don't use it. We gonna say just نه. نه. Yes, I'm good. I'm perfect. بله. عالیم. عالیم. I'm good. خوبم. نه. نه or خیر. خوب نیستم. خوب نیستم. How about you? خودت چطور? خودت چطور? Or چطوری? How are you? خوبی? Are you okay? خودت خوبی? When someone asks you that you are okay, when they ask you خوبی, you can say or you can answer that خودت خوبی؟ خودت خوبی؟ بله من هم خوبم. بله من هم خوبم. As I told you and mentioned in the previous video, you're gonna say nice to meet you or nice to know you, which is
A few minutes later.
از آشنایی باهات خوشبختم. از آشنایی باهات خوشبختم. Me too is من هم همینطور. من هم همینطور. In the shorter way, منم همینطور. منم همینطور. It will be so professional in Farsi if you use what I told you. من هم or منم از آشنایی باهات خوشبختم. Nice to see you is از دیدنت خوشبختم. از دیدنت خوشبختم. من هم همینطور. See you tomorrow. فردا میبینمت. فردا میبینمت. 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 Or you don't know the exact time you're gonna see them, then you will say see you later. بعداً میبینمت. بعداً میبینمت. Okay. باشه. باشه. مواظب خودت باش. مواظب خودت باش. خدا حافظ. خدا نگهدار. خدا حافظ or خدا نگهدار both means goodbye and bye. It doesn't matter which one you use. Both of them are polite and nice. Subscribe and click on the bell. Share this video with your friends and with your family. Then you can speak Farsi with them too. And I will be so happy you can tell me your opinion in comment. And I will be so happy to read them. Thank you so much. Bye. بعداً میبینمتون.
Keep on pushing, but you better don't.